How to change default launcher in Realme device. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel, and on today's video we will learn how we can change the default launcher in Realme device. So without any further delay, let's get started. For that, you have to open up settings in your device. So once you have opened up your settings, navigate to apps. Scroll down and under general, there is a default app section, tap on it. Now from here, you have to tap on Home app. So once you're here, you have to choose your preferred launcher. If you have added any other launcher, so you can change your launcher instead of default system launcher or quick stay. So once you select your preferred launcher, now the launcher on your device is changed. So that's it. That's how you can change your default launcher in Realme device, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.